Polynomial division looks pretty tough, but once you follow the techniques used, it's actually quite simple. So first of all, we should write this like we would any normal long division, which is with this right here. So you write the numerator on the inside, and you write the denominator on the outside. So the trick to long division, especially polynomial long division, is whatever this term is, this term divided by this term goes right there. That's what you always do first. So x squared divided by x is x. And then what you're going to do is you're going to say, well, x times that x is x. So you write it under here. And then after that, you're going to say that x, the same x, times this one right here, because you already did that one, times this one. So x times 1 is 1. And since it's positive, we're going to write plus x. So once we can't go any further, we take parentheses and then turn the whole thing negative. So now that we subtract it, we see that this cancels, 0x squared, and then we get plus 3x, and then we drop this one down, plus 3. So now we can see that 3x divided by x, remember you're always using the first term for these, 3x divided by x is 3, it's positive 3, so we're going to write plus 3. So then you do 3 times x and write it under here, so we get 3x, and then you're going to do 3 times 1, and that's positive 3, and write it down there. And then you're going to put a parentheses around it again and subtract it, and you'll see that this comes out to 0, which means that x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3 with no remainder. That's what the 0 says, no remainder. For this example, we're going to try a more tricky problem. So I already have it written out here. So all we do now is 3x squared divided by x, which goes up here, and that's 3x, and then you do 3x times x again to write it down here. And then you do 3x times 4. You have to remember to do that step. So that is positive 12x. So once you run out of space, just like the last problem, you put the parentheses over it and then subtract. So we can see that this cancels, these two, and then this will give us negative 5x. Remember to use the negative. And then we can bring this down. So now we say, how many times does negative 5x, how many times does x go into negative 5x? That should be negative 5 times. So we'll write a negative 5 up there. We can do the calculations again. Find out that's negative 5x right there. Negative 5 times 4, that's negative 20. So we turn this whole thing negative, which means these two cancel out, which means that these two are going to be equal to 18. But we have an 18 here, and we can't really do 18. You can't really, put that into x. So what we do now is we say the answer to this problem is 3x minus 5 with a remainder of 18 divided by x plus 4. So that's what you do. You can just add that on there, I guess. So that's what you do with the remainder. Once you get down to you have no more x, or no more, variables, I guess you'd say. You just do that number divided by this one right here. So again, we have 3x minus 5 plus 18 over x plus 4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please comment on my videos. Thank you.